quick bike check of my 2021 Scott Speed Gravel 40, all aluminum, size 54 medium. A couple of upgrades I did over the past week. So before on this bike I was running the stock wheels. I think they were G1 all-round 35mm tires. I then switched to the Continental GT 5000s, I think 32mm, for more pavement rides, and I want to get back into gravel. So I picked up these Pathfinder Pros 38mm tires. They're the biggest size they could fit on this bike. As you can see on the kind of like at the back. Not there, but close. I think I got plenty of clearance on the front. Picked up this S-Works Power Pro Mirror 3D printed seat. I got this over the weekend, this past Sunday. Couple rides, absolutely love it coming from the stock seat. It's not the all the way carbon fiber one, but this thing is crazy. This is 143mm in width. It's a perfect size. Other than that, I mean, besides, I've had the Wahoo. Bottle cages been Camelbak normal. Everything else been normal. Had this bike for 3 years and it hasn't failed me yet. It's a little dirty. I got to clean the gears. But yeah, all wearing great bike. So, quick bike check of my Scott Speedster Gravel 40 in a 54 medium.